Hello and welcome. Today we want to build a robot with small solar panels that can absorb electric and energy from light and sunlight. Convert its stored battery into its own movement. We have designed a board that can handle such a task, and we have put a lot of effort into this product and video. Please support us by liking the video. First, we assemble the microcontroller on the board. Using an armature, we help attach the welds and connect the assembled board, the armature and panels, so that energy can be transferred to the armature for movement. We also need a high capacity capacitor for storing power and energy. Be careful how you connect the positive and negative terminals to avoid any masking, as you will see in the following video. This is just the beginning of our journey, so stay tuned for future video coming soon. Follow me for updates on things board design and programming. You can message us on Telegram or WhatsApp using the link provided in the comments and description of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Goodbye until next time.